Minimalist kitchen is admired for its simplicity, functionality, and timeless aesthetic. However, achieving and maintaining the minimalist look requires consistent organization, thoughtful planning, and attention to detail. A clean and tidy kitchen not only enhances the beauty of the space, but also supports a more relaxing and efficient cooking environment. This video discusses practical and effective tips to ensure your minimalist kitchen always looks clean, orderly, and comfortable for daily use. 1. Maximize smart storage solutions. Clutter is the main enemy of minimalism. To maintain a tidy appearance, install built-in cupboards to hide cooking tools and appliances. Use drawer organizers for utensils and cutlery. Choose vertical storage such as tall cabinets to save floor space. Incorporate hidden storage features inside kitchen islands. When everything has a designated space, countertops remain clean and the room feels spacious. 2. Keep countertops free of unnecessary items. Minimalist design emphasizes clear surfaces. To maintain this, only store essential items on the countertop, such as a kettle or coffee maker. Keep spices, dish soap, and utensils neatly stored away. Use a single tray for frequently used items to prevent visual clutter. Clear countertops instantly make the kitchen look cleaner and more organized. 3. Establish a daily cleaning routine. Maintaining a minimalist kitchen is easier with consistent habits. Wipe countertops after each meal preparation. Immediately wash or place dishes in the dishwasher. Sweep and spot clean the floor daily. Empty the trash before it overflows. A little daily effort prevents mess from piling up and keeps the kitchen inviting. 4. Choose easy-to-clean materials. The right materials simplify cleaning while maintaining a polished look. Quartz, stainless steel, or ceramic countertops resist stains. Matte cabinet surfaces reduce visible fingerprints. Tiles or vinyl flooring are durable and easy to maintain. Prioritizing low-maintenance finishes ensures the kitchen stays looking pristine with less effort. 5. Select a simple and consistent color palette. Too many colors can make the kitchen feel busy. Stick to neutral tones such as white, beige, gray, or soft earth tones. 1 or 2 accent colors used sparingly. A cohesive palette creates visual harmony and enhances the minimalist vibe. 6. Use closed storage to minimize visual distraction. Open shelves can easily appear messy, if not styled perfectly. To keep a clean aesthetic, reserve open storage for few carefully selected items. Keep daily kitchenware behind cabinet doors. Store bulk items in labeled containers inside closed storage. This approach reduces distraction and supports a sleek, tidy atmosphere. 7. Incorporate proper lighting. Good lighting enhances cleanliness and comfort. Use under-cabinet lights to brighten countertops. Warm white LED lights to create a cozy mood. Pendant lighting for stylish yet functional illumination. A well-lit kitchen feels more spacious, clean, and pleasant to work in. 8. Practice one-in, one-out rule. To prevent accumulation. For every new item you bring into the kitchen, remove or donate an old one. Avoid impulsive purchases of new appliances or decor. Minimalism is about having enough, not excess. This rule keeps storage proportional and clutter-free. 9. Organize items by frequency of use. Placement matters. Store items based on how often they are used. Everyday dishes and utensils in easily accessible drawers. Rarely used tools in higher or deeper cabinets. Small appliances stored away and less used daily. This organization creates smoother workflow and reduces visible mess. 10. Add comfortable yet minimal decor. While minimalism avoids excessive decoration, some comfort elements are essential. A small indoor plant for a fresh and calming ambience. A simple rug near the sink for softness underfoot. Limited art or kitchen accessories that complement the design. Minimal decor should enhance the space without overpowering it. 11. Regularly reassess your kitchen needs. Our habits and belongings change over time. To keep your kitchen minimal, review storage areas every month and remove unused items. Adjust organization systems when something isn't working. Donate duplicates or items you rarely use. Constant evaluation ensures the space remains functional and fresh. 12. Hide appliances when not in use. Appliances can make the kitchen feel crowded. Consider built-in or integrated appliances that blend with cabinetry. Appliance garages or lift-up storage for mixers and blenders. A designated cabinet for toasters and coffee machines. Keeping appliances out of sight maintains clean lines and a visually calm environment. Creating comfort in a minimalist kitchen. Minimalist kitchens must not only look neat, but feel welcoming. Comfort can be enhanced through smooth traffic flow and open space, convenient placement of tools and ingredients, soft textures and warm lighting, natural elements such as wood and plants. Comfort allows the kitchen to remain the heart of the home, even in a minimal setting. Why tidy minimalist kitchens are so appealing. A clean minimalist kitchen benefits your lifestyle in many ways. More efficient cooking experience, less stress and visual overload, easier cleaning and maintenance, greater appreciation of high-quality design details. When the environment is clutter-free, your mind feels clearer and more relaxed. Conclusion: balance between order and comfort. Keeping a minimalist kitchen clean, tidy, and comfortable is all about balance between function and aesthetics, practicality and beauty. By maximizing smart storage, minimizing visual clutter, maintaining regular cleaning habits, and incorporating warm touches, your kitchen can remain effortlessly beautiful and inviting every day. A minimalist kitchen is not just a style. It's a way of living that encourages simplicity, serenity, and a deeper appreciation for the essentials. With consistent organization and thoughtful design, your minimalist kitchen will continue to be a fresh, functional, and comfortable space for years to come.